Hello friends, welcome to History and Mythology. If you are new to our channel, then please consider subscribing to our channel. A big thank you for those who already subscribed. In 2008, a team of archaeologists had made a puzzling discovery. Reports described the team as comprised of archaeologists and journalists filming a documentary at a dig at a sealed tomb dating to the Ming Dynasty in Shaanxi, southern China. As one of the coffins was being cleared of soil before being opened, a strange thing happened. While removing the soil wrapped around the coffin, suddenly a piece of rock dropped off and hit the ground with metallic sound. Later, it was found that it was a ring. After removing the covering soil and examining it further, archaeologists' team were shocked to see it was a watch. The strange metallic object was a small golden ring with a watch face on its front, approximately 2 mm thick. Tiny hands on the watch showed time had frozen at 10:06. Most astonishing of all, the back of the diminutive watch have the word Swiss or Switzerland written in English. Swiss made is the term used in recent decades to show that product has originated in Switzerland, especially related to watches. According to the archaeologists, watches weren't around in the Ming Dynasty, and Switzerland as a country didn't even exist. How was it possible? How could such an artifact have been discovered so out of place and out of time? There are many theories as to how a modern-looking Swiss ring with a watch face might have been discovered by Chinese archaeologists from a 400-year-old sealed tomb. Some researchers cite the possibility of time travelers who came from the future and who dropped a modern ring in an ancient location, accidentally leaving their anachronistic possession behind. The evidence for this is scant, but it is an intriguing idea. However, it is also within the realm of possibility that the so-called sealed tomb was not as secure as the Chinese officials and archaeologists had presumed. Early tomb raiders or explorers gaining access to the tombs secretly cannot be ruled out. Further research is going on this artifact, but the Swiss watch is not the first out-of-the-place artifact which ever discovered. There are many other artifacts like this 300 million year old wheel or this 500,000 years old spark plug. Why they exist and how their existence is possible with reference to the human history, the history and evolution of human race which we know, in which these artifacts doesn't fit. If you like this video, then please share this video with your family and friend and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.